So today is another unique fabric haul, shopping haul, collaboration that I am doing with a bunch of girls. The host is Jessica, my Rose, so be sure to check her out. I'll link her down below. And I'll also link a playlist down below of all the other girls and creators that are on YouTube in a playlist so you can go see what they shop for past time and see, what are some exciting new finds out there. Hello and welcome. I'm Jackie with Jackie Russell Creates, where we talk about everything quilting. I want to inspire you to create patchwork quilts or art quilts, whether they're big or they're small. So let's get started, and I'll show you some of the awesome finds that I found recently. All the fabric and products that I'm showing you today will be in future videos within the next month or two of projects that I've made. So I went to Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and the Dollar Tree. So first at the Dollar Tree, they have their fall stuff out, and I found some of these cute little pumpkins. These are faux leather pumpkins. We got some mini plaid. This is going to be for a game that I'm going to quilt here next month. Same with these ones. I got two of those. We got some black plaid. These are going with the orange plaid for the game. We got some burlap pumpkins in orange and a creamy color. And I just got another faux leather and another plaid, black plaid. And because fall is my favorite season and I love foxes, we found these cute little, these are just shelf sitters that I'll just sit up on a shelf that's above me for the fall time. They're just some cute little fall foxes. These were at the Dollar Tree. This was in the plus section. These were the $3 versus the $1.25. So I thought they were kind of cute, so we'll just sit them on the shelf, and they'll just sit up year round. I don't take my fall stuff down. That's on the two shelves above me. The next is fabric, and a lot of people say you can't use fabric from Dollar Tree and Walmart and all of that in your quilting projects. Well, I'm going to prove you wrong. All these fabrics are from Dollar Tree and Walmart, and I'll be using them in several projects within the next coming up months. So I just bought fat quarters. I have two of each style except for this one. They are fall and Halloween style. So we have just the orange spider web. We have the purple skeleton. Like I said, I bought two, so I make sure I have enough. These are fat quarters. Just some solid orange. I can't wait to show you the projects that I'm making with these. Some candy corn. These were one of my granddaughter's favorites, the rainbow neon spider web. And then we have some cats. They said these look like some cats that they watch on Netflix. I don't know. I don't watch TV, but they really like them. Some neon rainbow polka dots. And then we got some skeleton, the same neon. We got some orange pumpkins and flowers. And then this is a fall one. It's got like little mushroom in with some fall foliage. I thought that was a really pretty one. I just had to have this one. I don't have a project yet for this one, but I'm for sure that there'll be a project in the makings for this. And then these fabrics came from Walmart, and they're a little bigger. These are I think these are a full yard of fabric. They're pre-cut, so all I had to do, was pull them off the shelf. I didn't have to wait. So These come folded up on a package. The fat quarters come rolled up. I went ahead and ironed them so you guys could actually see the full effect of the fabric and not just the little sections that you actually see when you go to the store to buy. Because the rainbow ones, or the neon colors, you didn't get the full effect of those, especially the spider web one, because when, you know, they were all rolled up, you know, I saw they were kind of like this. And so you saw a few colors, but you didn't know exactly what colors were on there. Matter of fact, I thought they were just the purple and the green. I did not see all the other colors until I brought them home and opened them up and ironed. And you can actually see where they are even different at being, you know, they don't, you get maybe more purple on one or more green depending on how it was cut. So that's why I went ahead and opened them up and ironed them so you guys can get the full effect of the fabric. So these are the ones, the yardage that I purchased. And I only got one of these because it is a full yard. So these ones are just some cats with some pumpkins and different things. I thought that was just a cute little scene. Like I said, it's a full yard. Then I got some orange polka dots. We got some more candy corn with some polka dots. And then we got just a plain black and white that just says boo on it. So, you know, like this would be great for a background fabric and putting, I'm thinking maybe an orange pumpkin on there to make it stand out. You know, something like that. This could just be a block. You know, you can fussy cut around, you know, the couple of the cats and make it its own little block in your quilt or wall hanging, or even a cute little mug rug or coasters. You know, you can make just around the smaller cats and make coasters out of those. So that would be a great idea. For the neon ones, I'm thinking like on this one you put a ghost, a white ghost. That the ghost would really stand out on this type of fabric. So the opportunities are endless. The ideas are endless on, you know, the different things that you can make for that. And then we got, oh, I also picked this up at Walmart. It's a Wrap and Zap. It's 100% natural cotton batting. Yes, it's for a baked potato zapper, but it's the perfect size to do wall hangings or smaller projects. I'm actually going to use this for a panel that I'm going to be doing in my panel, working with panel series. And, you know, it's just that perfect size for mini projects, mini quilts. So then I went to Hobby Lobby and they had their fall panels out, and I saw this one. And I thought he was adorable. And so I picked just one of these up. This is a yard. Or, well, you know, measure up to be a yard. And this is where the Zap and Wrap is perfect. This is the perfect size to make this wall hanging. If you get a wall hanging like this, and or a panel like this, and you want to do just the panel and not make it in bigger, then you'll need a yard of additional fabric for the backing. And they had some fabric that kind of matched this to go with it, and I was like, you know, that it's cute, but that's not kind of what I'm looking for. So I actually picked up some pumpkins that I thought would be real cute. So this is going to be the back of my project, and this is the front of my project. And if you want to see this come together, this will be later on this month. or you can check out my Working with Panels series, which I will list that below. And lastly, on the fabric, this fabric I got from Joann's. It is a canvas type fabric because I'm going to be making some cushions for some outdoor chairs for my daughter's fiance's parents. I did purchase some foam as well, but I'm not opening that up because it's in a box. And once I do, it's just going to explode. So I have 6 yards here to make 12 cushions. And then I also purchased some zippers on a roll. So these make it really nice to be able to make any size zipper that you would need or want. It comes with, I think, 20 zipper pulls. I got black. I know they have a white and like a creamy neutral color. But because these are going for the outdoor chairs, we decided to go with the black. But like I said, comes with its zipper pulls. There's like 20 of them or a dozen of them on here. And I can make it as long or as short as I need per zipper. And so that's one of the other finds that I got. I figured this is cheaper. This cost me, originally they're $16.99 for this roll. And I got this one on sale for $14.99, and then I was able to use a coupon, so I got an additional on sale. And I'm going to be making them 18 inches long per zipper. So that, you know, this was cheaper buying this than turning around buying 12 individual 18 zippers that are $3 to $4 a piece. And my last item are some magnets. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. There comes 8 in a package. And you're probably wondering what kind of quilting and sewing project I will do with magnets. Well, stick around. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And you'll be able to see when I upload a video using these magnets in one of my projects. So I hope you enjoyed my fabric haul. And I'm excited to show you what you can use with box store fabric from either Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and Dollar Tree. If you found some of this fabric interesting, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what your favorite fabric was, and if you have an idea to use with one of my fabrics that I have picked out from this haul. And if you're new here and want to learn more about quilting and making some awesome projects like this, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. Until then, happy quilting, my friends. And be sure to check out Jessica Myros. Thank you for hosting this collaboration, and the other YouTube creators in the playlist linked below.